Let's listen to the final result. For the main synth layer 1, added a pure pad type of synth provided by Sistema, and add some filter automation inside the shaper box. Sistema's modern 808 algorithm is the crucial thing in the modern music. You can find the heaviest bass layer here. For the high-frequency layer, I used analog type LED. Some filter automation, sound whitener by Waves, and chorus by Valhallisp. This is the trick I found in Fret Again music. Just pick a super fast arpeggiator. Add short reverb and filter out low-end frequencies. Let's listen to the final result.